How to remove the navigate to admin bar on Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step what you need to do in order to get rid of it so that your customers don't see it. And this has to go because it gets a little bit annoying. So let's just go ahead and talk about what you need to do exactly. Really, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on online store and click on view your online store. And then from here, it should pop up here for you, and you can see navigate to admin. All you need to do really is just hit the X right next to it. As simple as that, so that gets the job done. Once you do that, it may leave and not come back, or it may actually show up again. If it shows up again, that means you either used another browser or you pretty much cleared the cache and cookies for Shopify, and it shows up again. Now, I need to talk about something real quick before I even demonstrate that. Is that you don't see it in the customize page here. If you just click on customize and open up the editor for your Shopify, it's not actually going to show up here for you. And something else that you really need to keep in mind is that it's actually not going to show up for customers because they're not admin. They don't have access to the admin panel, so it's not going to show up and let them know navigate to admin. It's only going to show up for those who have access to the admin panel from this specific Shopify store. So even in the customized page here, it does not show up. Or if you just go in and open up your site from a different browser as a customer, not as an admin, it's actually not going to show up either. So let's just go and copy this and go ahead and open up another browser real quick. So I'm just going to be using Microsoft Edge here as an example. And because my Shopify is password protected, I need to give it the password. So let's just go ahead and fetch that real quick. Copy that, go back here, enter using password, and enter the password. And now that we're logged in, we can actually go ahead and view the entire store without being bothered with any bar that says navigate to admin as a customer, because it's not going to show up for us, like I said and demonstrated. It's only going to show up for you when you only view your store. So either by clicking on view your store in here or just pasting in your own URL is going to show up for you. And like I said, in order to remove it, just go ahead and visit your store. To preview it, click on the X on the bottom right of your screen, and now it should be gone for you. It doesn't really make a lot of difference, so it's only gone for you, and it's not going to be showing up again unless you clear the cookies. So let's just go back here, click on the view your online store one more time. It is pretty much gone. It's not going to show up again unless, like I said, you clear the cache and cookies for your Shopify store. So yeah, this is pretty much all you need to know and keep in mind is that you don't really need to remove it. It's not necessary to remove it because only you get to see it or anybody else who has access to this store's admin panel. So don't worry too much about it. If it keeps showing up for you, just go ahead and hit the X at the bottom right. It's that simple. It's not really going to take you a lot of time to just go in and exit out of it. So I don't think it's very problematic. So now you know exactly how to get rid of it and how, how you don't really need to actually remove it and stress over how clients could or customers could possibly see it because they won't see it. And this is pretty much all I need to say in this video. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful or informative. And thanks for watching.